Local news that matters on Local 22 News.
At this place in history, we're at the movies, specifically outside the Paramount Theatre here in Barre. And joining me is Amanda Gustin, the Public Programs Manager from the Vermont Historical Society. Amanda, tell me about the Paramount Theatre.
One of the reasons it's historic, besides being 100 years old, is that in 1955, this theater hosted the world premiere of the Alfred Hitchcock film, The Trouble with Harry. It's a very Hitchcock kind of movie. And when he was looking for places to film, someone said, you should definitely go to Vermont.
Where in Vermont did the filming take place?
It took in and around Craftsbury, Vermont. Hitchcock had this vision in his mind of a sort of towering, spreading maple tree atop a hill with a vista beyond it, and they found exactly that hill, exactly what he was looking for in Craftsbury. And when it comes time to premiere the movie, he decides, I want to do that in Vermont too. He chose the Paramount Theatre. The movie premieres on September 30th, 1955. It's a huge deal in Barre. I mean, huge. So they hold this banquet at the Memorial Auditorium, which is just up the hill there. 800 people had a sit-down lobster dinner. They had this big, tall head table where Hitchcock and the star of the film, making her feature film debut, Shirley MacLaine, at 21 years old. I mean, we've all seen her in everything over the years, but this was the first time she had a film premiere right here in Barre, Vermont. All 6 New England governors were in attendance, along with film reporters and TV reporters and film critics from all over the world, really. There was someone from a newspaper in Paris. I wish I'd been there.
Honestly, I wish we could transport back to 1955. That dinner, the fact that the stars of the movie and even the director came here to Vermont.
It was such a big deal that the City Council of Barre at the time voted Alfred Hitchcock an honorary citizen and mayor of Barre. So when The Trouble with Harry premiered, they could seat 1,161 people inside the theater, in both the regular floor seats and in the balcony. Tickets were sold to the Barre community at $1.50 a piece. So the movie itself was actually kind of a flop in the United States. It's really dark humor. You really have to be into a really kind of a cutting kind of edge of the humor to really enjoy the movie. But it really hit it off in Europe. Something about that, just that dark humor, really appealed. In Paris in particular, it played for a year straight in one particular theater. People kept packing the house to go and see it. So it just wasn't quite to American tastes in 1955. Although today, a lot of people really love it as a movie that was both filmed and set in Vermont and had its world premiere here in Vermont.
At this place in history.